I wish, but now both I go prison for 3 months. Roboa. O tla itse mosadi ke eng. O tla itse family ke eng. O tla itse mmereko ke eng.
Are you using steroids?
2015, ne ke tloga di-steroids. Ke tlhaba synthol. Ntho engwe ba bitsa synthol. Ke oil. Ke oil. Like, ba bona le tlogo la ka ntse like, it's go initiate school, ba go kata life, right? Ba go kata your dick.
The foreskin.
Yeah. 2 times. So now I'm cutting tsika go tlase, I'm cutting la ntle le brown le ba kata la bo white be ke jumpa. Ba kata tsika go tlase, and then penis akana ne fitla for like for 6 years. Next ro warana.
How are you?
I'm fine myself.
Sharp. Tell me, for people that don't know you, who are you?
No, I go all the name, yeah, the Punisher. That's the name Matwangitsen Kayona, the Punisher. Everywhere, more social media, the more Facebook, more TikTok, the more Instagram, the Punisher. I hardly talk about my real name.
Why? You don't want people to know you?
Yeah, only people from the bank I can know my real name, that's all.
Or to go home affairs?
Yeah, look at Merco. Only few.
Are you trying to protect yourself from?
No, for what? I get busy, but I don't steal nothing. I don't owe nobody.
Anything. The Punisher, obviously, but since you don't want to talk about it, it's fine. How did the Punisher come about?
The Punisher came 2018. Like actually, people they used to call me Big Mish back then, and then something happened. Like I was a good guy in fact, and then things happened, and then become a bad guy, and then I got tronco. I went to prison, so that's where the name. When I come out from the prison, in fact, actually I was inside the prison. Whenever I go there, like never trialing, I'll find the uniform, and then the uniform never fit on me. I was 3 times like this size, 3 times. So next night uniform in fact. So they have to cut off here. So then everyone was so shocked when I see this guy, who's this guy, the prison warder, my banditi, but I was sentenced to everyone, no, I come and see this guy. And then I never had a hard feeling with everyone, but I was sentenced to him. Because I used to be the boss, like I can say, it's in boss in fact, but I was living a good life like other people. House na, more on Tolokain. So then the name starts from there because everyone, like the boss of 26, 28, my SVK, those names from the prison, they used to surrender for the Punisher. Understand? So like they try to give me a bumper no more than 28 because I made, but I made mostly give me 28. So my 26 got the robbery, house breaking, something like that. So now I made. So in avoiding to give the bumper number number 28, and then I became the Punisher because everyone like like I think I buy a in fact the bodyguard zaka ko how na zaka or maybe go tshaba o the face o na le bodyguard zaka ba go kulumekela ba go tlhatsetsa ba go tshwara scuffing everything.
Ari busetsenyana ko moraonyana. I want to know gore o godile byang, your come about, to the person that you are today before the jail, the prison and everything that has happened. Go gola wa gago o thomile ko kae,
Okay. I was born in Mpumalanga, in Mpumalanga, village of Bushback Ridge. Yeah, I called it there. And then negative gangster yana, so that was to yana. And then 2005 in fact, I stopped because Neki was too much. Of it's better to committing the billets. And then so everyone told me if it's in thing and next was all it is all how to I sarka
yeah.
So now if they actually all give can I use vulgar word?
Yeah.
Yeah, I plug it to hate and always only. So and I chronos come more. So the only thing like one after rape you don't know. Yeah, so ha be ke tseng tla ke tloga this thing because ke tla tronkong se se ke le moana. Then I be ke stopa go tsuba. Ka sta go gym nyana ka startera sa koloi ma 3 to 3. And then until ke tla Rustenburg 2011. And then ga bona the local gym ke simo go introduce mo tsona, and then 2012 ke simo go tsena mo di Steroid thing until today. Amen.
Batsadi?
Like they do what?
Yeah.
What thing?
Okay. How were they reacting to what situation? Yeah, how?
Oh, na situation ya ka like I was the chosen one. Background ka ne se monate in fact to le gaeng. Ai ne se monate ko ga ene re le 6. 3 ya basadi le 3 ya ba the brothers talk. Then I'm included. I would say I was the chosen one. Papa kana san right. I would say first bono go high. Like what ausa go go san right. Krata ke ausa go mo one fena number 3. Lina la ke list. Ke nan right, but the rest na san right. Abu Dhabi was worse. And he was worse because every Friday ha ke tswa skolong bampeta bang ke mo gating ga betiwa. Diaparo in such. Carry next a fiwi. Then I keep surviving ka diaparo tse ke fiwa ke batho community. And then ba ka fetsa bang adopt go next door. Papa consulting. Mar ba bang na mantsa phela mona ke le ke tsa grade 3. Not grade 3, grade 6. E be ke simula go ya go di zonung so. Go tla mmereko go tlhagola like. And then ka tlhagola mpa di 8 rand something like that. Ke rekisa ka di sweet ke direkisa go skolong. Until ke cover chelete like until ke sa fela yalo. Because papa kana sa sepelena. And then 2003 kaya ko school barking ko skwengwa like by the call initiate school ko komeng in fact until
yeah.
I thought like ready aparo. And then hagiada kra fokol diaparo tse o tsile ka tsona kwa ba nkadimile like borugo skipa kepese tuku everything like because sama manga ke mitsa the same day ke tswa next a fall in fact or it's go initiate school ba go kata life right ba kata your dick
the foreskin.
Yeah. 2 times. So na wang katile tsika ko tlase, wang katile tla lantla le brown le wa katela bo white be ke jamba. Ba kata tsika ko tlase, and then penis kana ne fitla for like for 6 years. Next ro waran.
For 6 years.
Yeah. Ke le ke tsora since from 2003, 6 years counter 6 years to kopile. It was like this. Next go no tlhapa mo pela bana. Le go anwa ke tlhapile monna nna. So ke le ke tswa ko komeng pola ka nentse yana because like tlale ga le tshika ko tlase, you know that right? Like khati so dileng e tshabile
e wetse morao
so next go ne be ke ha ke the day ke tswa kwa ke botsa mama go le sante ka diaparo na. Mama she was crying hangaraba so mo se ke papa kwa nnete na, and then mama ka la ka ntibela hangaraba. And then I just continue ka school ke tswela pele ka school, and then ke bona I'm good with accounting. And then class teacher ngwe ya ka e batla ng adopt o etsa English ya bona ka ke apara sentle bro ga go page compared to abuto aka. And then until I push until ke fitla grade 12 I never failed go school until since from grade 1 until fitla grade 12. And then still all alone like I was providing myself for carry for everything. Le ausa go mark list like number 2 number 3 wa ausa ka ma papa kan tsale thing. Yeah, you never take care of me like ke khulez infected tlhang mama ka na reksa marula. Like poverty there was worse. Yeah, I would say like that. It was worse go high. But mostly ne looks exciting ya ka gantsi ne ka re ke na ke tletse go go jarating abana. And then till ke grade 12 ka pass grade 12. And I actually ke failed pele because ne ke le traumatized. The man still since from primary 99 the man some better every Friday. Go jarating one better da man no petla batho one better until ka 2007 ke look high school still some better. So the solution go to gym once maybe that guy will be scared of me until then I start committing gymming still go high school ona abuta tatomogolo ngwana tatomogolo ka ke signi e ba mbeg up just give an game every until go high school go grade 12 every day ba khempa kana ba roka mbrugo everything because ne ke plake bethiwa ha ke bo go jarating one better gape ha ke ta school ha ke chaisa one better so se ke kemela wa tlo bolala la botwa ka like I feel like Kidding. Relationship I sharp. Even till today. I so sharp. I don't want to fix it, but I don't want to change nothing. But I want. So until ke pasa, I was at Anzago Mpumalanga, get Sarastinbake, Takosa Skolong, all that stuff until today. And then I stayed up myself. And then funny stuff, getting a breadwinner Gujarat in Kiliwan. They spoil kids, everyone like do not do nothing. But I give a hope, whatever I got something I have to give them. So poverty citing I can like monati, but I won't say that's why I have to how ka shika relationship it's bright more now. Because now I wasn't raised like that. So like kifula better when I was so called so if I get try to build a bond to the empire how li atlogula I check a condition yake le aka gore what I compare yang atlogula in future. Yeah.
Do you think the reason why Papa Hana so it's because of maybe no troublemaker school?
No. I don't know. Like even though I was pick up. Like Kimuri Samamaka like keep up one need now. Something wrong can now. Because I give a bet lampeta every day. High grade issue enough. I give panda. Get like a teacher, get a marot, everything. You guys are eating my stuff. But I don't do that thing. At the end of the day, get a great whole food, get everything. You don't help me nothing. Since from 2007, the apartheid needs to take care. Papa consulting. But the rest needs to take care. So nice to survive myself. Until like I'm still a hustler. No one knows how to get go high, but every month I make sure there must be food on the table. Until I got 1 hour. The whole night I've been waking. Because I go room go Sun City 4:30. No, 3:30 I mean to say. And then 5 o'clock I wake to I have to bath, I wake drive to RTBS. And then get my kit like one. I haven't sleep. And for me I have to go somewhere again. You see?
Yeah, no, it's something else. No, look we're high school, sharp or crime it's an aviang.
No, crime like killing. It was a mistake. I would say like it's a mistake. It's not something like we can be proud of. It was a mistake. You know, things happen in my life. I get the mistake they the anger issues like controlling. No, because in 2 cases they're involved in Nala Butakali Libraga, literally. Definitely.
Yeah.
And although like I was looking after him, my banditas were home. They were scared of them because of me.
So let's say dale baba ka litre. When no le last born or
no. Like
okay.
My big brother.
Okay.
My younger brother. Nearly 3. Brother stay 3.
Yeah. So how let's go tronkunga da so your other brothers lebona na ba gym or kwena no lorong.
Okay, na go ga ke gym ke lewana. Go gym like it's not like into na ke batla. No. Ke gym because like ndama nan is like I see go thinking I go na mona tentloreng. Yeah. And I go na braga like umuso kunano. Yeah. Including so like nearly pressure in fact into a gym. It was a pressure. Go thinking let me just stay away of this. Or let me just use the other way. And like be like I have to change directions. Get the direction I can no. And it works.
You to see gym.
Yeah. I don't look for a job.
Yeah.
Look over thing, but you don't know my CV. Look how no to afar. There's some way, something I have to sign up, but I can't say it on a camera. Look at thing. I don't look for a job. Night depend on offer. Ka offer what offer everything. Let's say they get a call from Russia. The guy from Botswana, but he's in Russia. He's gonna come back in South Africa. He got things to do with me, but now I go the offer.
It's amazing to see you getting the offer since the Inchibiana Lespane, you know. And the people that were it seemed as if like Nababa protect Abona Dilo Adirahal. We're no longer Nabao Beta Dilo Dirala. It's like Nabao Beta, Nababeta gold, Dilorung Horeto, Patsy, maybe come quelling gating today. Azanga also says that the trauma. Mar.
No, because King, Karata pain, in fact. I love pain. Pain, Karata pain too much. Pain is in fact, don't you know? Karata pain too much. That's why now I wish if South Africa is not government, I wish I would live like without government, more South Africa. I don't know how to get it. Yeah, I love being in pain. Humanati play all more paining.
Yeah,
like real. I'm telling the truth. Humanati. I I'm in pain, but I'm always laughing. But I'm in pain. That's why it was small. When I go to gym, it was small. So the only way for pain, I have to be with my family. So pain you're not forever. Pain is in the keep moving.
Tell me about the time you left. How was it like?
Now, but since selling, I forced myself to go to prison. The cell prison is a different thing. The cell in room one, small room like this. Ukaka file, one kafari, Lorola file 11. More sponges so, while the dinta and paying with Lumang Falan. It's about once a day. Alikir Moriri, on a radio, on a visiting, the Jelacopili, the Salakudabu. So, I get a reminder, I can carry on for 3 months. Ebe modi selling before listen what's in a shift packet bale counter how many are you ba qualified ha to chase wa counter gabe so ile police le tsena ka fa tsore sethunya so ke target ena tsena fa le ke mokhima dama ebe ba betsa backup wa mtsa ke batla eng ke nna go tla prison bana ka tshameka ka mo go ta shift engwe change ka khima dama gabe so the later that night ba tla ba le 3 but all count down. Ma puts at an little file. Eba itibala after a week, wait a keta loha, pick my down to Mulagan, go for her. Mom's a blue what I'm now. What I wrote is a charges are anything. Man, I got to shift, I got to a prison. Actually, the reason being why I got to a prison in a gift what it. There was a guy, and I'm talking all about it in a lit until a court as a coast there. So, we saw what thing not was Zolomo selling, but none except to like Nak what like pass. The vampires
yeah.
How it's enough for lose email or just email. How it's enough for a nagi criminal goose. Kenamo kuning. How mpona Romana Clofail. So out of so it's about what I did with like a ing, Carbon charges taho, Ohanahana, Ngaro bully walo, Nagata Melagun Takuil. Until the rain. You tell what I refer to the so I used to get sorry at food selling file. I won. And then mtako na atwa prison na tle go diseleng so tle ka phone a itse go kumara gongwa a itse ka condom a itse go tshinyengwa e tsena mo maleng fa so a tsena go pa tsena go toilet a re no o tle ka something is available kare ke eng ba tsena go toilet ba ka punta phone la a itse mo condom a tsena sim card he was no go it's a phone call and I was happy with that because ne ga le msadi na le media ka fara ne ke motlhotse kontle so I need to communicate with him so the guy wa tla tsuba you know utore phone the SIM card ona na sorry zolo da mo to ke mpe phone ampa phone la mana ona ka khana rona na le backup na ga fana by 6 mo selling so ba mpa phone ke mfa zolo ba ruta fala tswa tsore paper inali nkar gidiso yana so it was like king to agri beats and then very khoma re feel that thing like utsentse di khadile polwa like di beat like something ke re ke di bereka ya ntlhalosa re tsi ntho e bereka so re betse mosadi o feel different than a smooth something like that e ke ro ka go khona ntira nna a re se ka ling a ka moso re so tsade e big phone go bona ntla ka magare o tshele Russian beer mo botlong a metsi police di wonder go na ba ke metsi ke metsi a tsena so ka bole ban taka tra di bottle di Russian beer ba tsema mo botlong ya 1.25 ya valve mabusa fala ba fitsa metsi ala ba re ke metsi nna ga le ke di ding so le gare ba sega di sender staka so ba tsenya ka fa gare di tsena for visiting tse re ja fala ebe ke go ha go tswala ba re go gafetsa re counter ba se go ka 7 o'clock ebe ke ntsa Russian beer no na mana mposa ba itsa ha re ma go se ga tlalo la go so you know kati toothbrush e se da ai khutla da mana ai khutla o ikhatile fela e ba nkhatha le tlalo a itsenya ka fa gare a khata mo tlalong la ka mo bolong a tseng so e one ntse pila ka e ngwa ya nna pila so ntse ke tshamikisana go tla botlhoko because that thing ina le corner so like this go tla botlhoko ntleleng ke mo dineng go tlhoka re e ya e la ka ba khutlile so I have to cut off again ke se so sela so are the best way we go battle prison o tla tsena di deng go prison that's why ke force go get prison because I really want that thing ntleleng I can push myself for kids. I project go prison ko ne ke soro 600 and something ke tsentse mo BVD mo lining fa ke points BVD ke tsentse fa for taking ban search bo bohle ma prison wa and pambulo ba tlo number go bele ka se number ke mfano wa munyana wa ka go patsa mala mo seleng ba gana be ke 500 rand ka tsena le mo se ke las bona go ga ke mfana mo mo wa ntlo la ka tsela le mo seleng e wana ya ka and then I buy them cigarette selo yohle gara ka selo yohle chele di kwa bo bohle di 2020 bo bohle mama di look at everything better everything ke ro mo fatsi ka kra fana wa di bodyguard nya wa so go sang ka wala from now on no mo go jo ba le jana go marago until rain cause mo seleng e 143
mo seleng e 1
yeah so nna le boss ma 26 mfana ma mitsa major le ma 28 le ma 27 yana ba di messenger ba and then we go no more go jesa dutse or else you guys what will change sale and they thought I'm joking so boss e la ma 26 e la be e krubela go mo betting ke get upstairs hale shit tiba shit so ro tlo go mara go peliwa la a be ke ya go mara go ne ke nna mo le bateng cause I know close la motho go cause lo e better ke toilet ke e fala I will hear you and go to mo go toilet e fala a be ka ta go mara go dama kra ana metse mphano a be go black samanda man ma 26 ga teng e fale they didn't do nothing cause understand one thing go prison go jumonate papa teng ke motogo mara nama ke yona ba go fa di hake go fa hake ka mara ke motogo and why itsa yalo go le silsana le matla golo so now I was strong but people said more variety the ultra male everything the fruits now I used to be strong I was like this so now we don't only 8 I can punch you off all of you until rain so next sabe sipen until rain dilang nale o ka pizza ka fale everything no one noticed ke ba fetso na ke tsama until rain so ka black sama daman mo selling boss ma 26 mo so la gan tibeletse they didn't do nothing now and that's why like you know what everyone like they just bow on me until rain so ke na kwa tle just thing ya lona go lempe bo gosi ba lona ba dutse and no more ba go tsenya no more ba go robala ha ba go fe no more fela ba tla wena wa go je ko maragong this peer say but you know I know this video whoever watching people like they will talk but they don't want to come and face me or fuck him up like until rain this peer sa bona se no more engwe le go tsenya ba go je ko maragong that's why this peer ba ta ba go ba bua language ya bona yes no more mo di video or anything cause ke expect
ha ba o fa no more
yeah
tsontse ba o je mo mara
ba go ja lo na o fa motho mongwe wa ta mo je motho that's why I once said on other video ke ba no bohle di gay until rain ba no bohle di gay
o jage mang o jage boss wa bona or anyone ba no choose
whoever will be select the whole thing what to select fa let me say ona phone o ga ta ka phone ko prison ke na tlo go jang cause ona phone ntse itsana go maragong kan ding the whole phone like this di teng it's not go maragong a di tsenga di prison one I want so na ke tse do tse and other thing happen ke avoid le ntho go se komora ha ke tse di beats until rain cause kwa ga se komoriwa kwa ha o se komoro ja tshinya and ona o tlo kere ne ke no di mo fight bampa di ultra male so nna ke motho mo nkrata
Yeah.
Ka tao tuwalan. Until rain. So avoiding that, the reminder can only 1 month distance. So the best way to give 50 rand, but final about 6. But 8. Within 12 minutes, I fed it. Majday 2, ke no mo toilet. Ba go. O tshwara so wa sega, wa tsenya. Wa tsenya. A ile ha iso utlwa botlhoko e tshabile se fitlanyana sa ngwefa. You wa fed it. Ke wa fa tissue, e batla ine yana. We ba for the whole day. And in 3 days time, the won't later to like a ujin to a only try can prison. Li papa te about the next agent. Papa Niki Rega Evatwaya Pian, Negarka Papa Street. Bright papa stuff unlike Jack Ma Presina, Yadi Wuku, Nanigarka Papa Shab. Lina Managareka, I get to Margal de Qualisol. So ever to like a tapia, who bat happy fella, go for pie. Hakuna le mai o jo mai ka stase le dingwe o ba mai o mai le le one go fa kwa I fela fela ba fana ba bereka so ke ngana le di contents e 4 tsa mai so health ya was good day until ring na enjoy being in prison but it's not a good place because nkareng mo ntle fa batho ba botlhale ba go prison batho ba botlhale too much ba go prison how about discipline batho ba go prison pele we visit there for 2 weeks. Or try to discipline king. For long discipline, but when they just living, they don't know what they want. For they don't know what they want. How about the discipline correct? That's why we take correctional service that thing. The word correctional service, we're correct that I like it or not. Not by force, we're not self. You wish or go on a star as green. Li perfume colony fit if I wish I could go spray. Every day la to jiga fa fela. Wa wala mo tmo phone every day. It doesn't make sense. Prison ay mo nati ha o uspana. Una bereka before. Una le family, una le musadi, una le property. Prison ke uthawa sa bereki mo uthawa funa manyao pe bona ba. They will enjoy it. But when we today is to get 25, I used to get this such amount. Hay mo nati for wena. Gala longwana, kan le medi. Until high, only coro, only loan, only the bad, you have to count it. You won't feel right there. Until high. So, do you ma profit of prison, ma profit a thing, ding a thing. They will tell you, they will communicate with you.
I found this.
Yeah. But ako profit a cent. Tlaka so, it's a so, do ta hotlera hala. Ta tia it's a copasel say, Koluya hum ta why drive with lao. And it really happens for me that it works for me. Kilo go tronko. Go to ZCC. And then, Kering, Lima prison wada, no plow to about na diamond, Pokba Dijo. I used to issue them, Mananga, because like protection I want, like on the ring. But even though like ni side hockey, but Garo like Nigiba have a cause of like, but completely visiting Yaga. Visiting a play busy. I Tuesday, I'm so about 18. High Thursday, they told me 20 something about I started like playing when I know. We're not only for slow shift until rain. So you like you well known container. Can not give them play about but I got about what that's why like how to hear you I want what right. Lot us right. So Lina is that go select about from the go prison. Chromotor right to go thing or right to go thing until rain.
Based on but one about visit.
Yeah. Lot of people to get chum taro. Li family. Li de colleague to come mergo. Until ring. And learn how to follow na like ring. Ngan wa go tsenya something what tlhogong reborn like wa go tsenya table charge in your mind. How to na kana like before like when I the punisher. You gonna the punisher X also da. I was looking before I go prison I was the people they used to call me a big mish. How could I get the punisher? I get to court everyone was so shocked. This guy, Barlow, what did one on the and court, I get in the stage, court, every court and a duma. Nay duma court. But how am I going to moto? But how much haro until rain? So, discipline, self discipline, we grada. Nakil is about to phone better to say to motiling or stuff. I wish, but now was the go prison for 3 months. Robo. What I eat Sadiki in. o tla itse family ke eng, o tla itse mmereko ke eng. Fela yala you want, o tla itse tšhelete ke eng. Prison o lana tse ba bona shebe shitong tsiang. I don't like mention names, but like ta go feka motho daman since a tswa da the more discipline too much. Ke boss da man. Ke boss. E seng ya go artist go celebrate no I mean ke boss da. Go prison mar fontle ke bari. Fontle ke bari fa. Le no ka nke go ntsa ngise bo science go kae. I might be boss day, but fontle ke bari. That's what but ma automa niti banna ba niti ba go tronkong. Banna ba niti. Fontle fela na. We just living ke bo auntie na for me. Ke phela to fail. So go prison you learn things man. O tshwere baya. Beside to crime. Nga go bola ke go prison ke le fontle fa. Idiot ke le fa. One phone call. Yeah, one phone call nga go bola. Yang go eng didn't ke manager like it's like manager. Ga ona nomoro o hle ba tse phone ba 26 nna go tse go mo 28 hanga mo 28 nna go ntle ke ka fogare bona go ntle they will come and kill you. They take my orders. Re batho ba motho in fact
the community.
Yeah, like it's like we're in a war. Like we were in Japan, so we have to kill those Japanese. So not South Africa. We can't let those people defeat us. I can do everything.
So taba ya Thabo Bester when it broke out, you were not even shocked?
Aye. That's what I go too much. To a bank the mastermind. Well, information not to information can no go tronkong kwa. Ke tsama go kae ke nna go kae ke tsama na go mang ke tsa driver go le yang. That's what I'm saying tsama go ya go ke feng. Now I change cars and none of those cars are mine. I won't tell this one is mine. Nna ka to keep a life a go tlasen. Ha ke tshore fokol. Ha ke tshore fokol mo life eng but ke to keep a life a go tlase go fake life o monate. Di celebrate ba go na ba fika di lifestyle and ba sotlega. And at the end of the day ba tla di donation cause ba fika di lifestyle. Montlo re o sa fake background ga ile mo khukhu tsara. Na go tlo tla ba di fund do donate. So now I don't fake for call. Na di ko di driver ga kana ko yenga sa go la ke fing. Ke tlo go di expensive di normal. Di ko te buy. I don't know get a show off ka tsondo tseo. So that's why always I go leave background and whatever thing. Ki ja mo strateng ki komita le batho. Montlo re. That's why batho it's thinking the ba bang ban rata some of them like ban rata I don't care na how we stand to a right my life people will hate you. Montlo re. If they don't talk about you it means you are waiting to right. Waiting to right how but was no go provoke. Na ke provoke to bantsi but mo di commenting. It's facial. I wish someone can talk to me like this. I'm not an easy person, but it's simple. I want to but I want to change life. Keep this. So I don't have to attitude. Mamma had punish at it. Then I was like, say hello. I'm telling you. Look at you had a fight. Go to one thing. But how about for a backup with the punisher? I'm telling you. So, but why mela reaction ya gore wena o mo leveling e feng. That's why ba ba to senyetsa future. Kwana no. No.
The time when I go to prison, obviously it's really with a different mindset. Did you have a plan or biano go etsa so?
Ne ke patela king. Ngwana kana ke marata o ne ke na lena before msadi ka o. Ngwana mong like I can't mention her name but she knows like National College. I used to do everything ke go tronko. I used to give him money ke go tronko. Like yetsa. Until ke etswa. And ha ke itse go tronko mo la o tseking ke tlo go etsa license santla. ke tlo go engage. I'll buy you a car. While go ke le ko toronkong. That month ha ke tswa. The same month. Ke metse license. Tsare tshete tswa kae? No one knows. Aro tlo bona IT Durban. She was just talking out of the blue. Ile Thursday. Ara IT Durban ke ka motla tsamaya ha re ka tsamika. E ke tla re go rekla koloi. Ra tla fo Pitori tla ka koloi. E bo ra tseme ke tsa koloi ya hockey. Mama.
The same month
Yes. And then this following week, ke tla re tse koloi ra Durban. Ara go ba maka. Be ke tsama go re ka drink stands. Ko mo engage go beaching go. And I got to munyala and then family issues. I think you pull a handbrake.
From your side of?
For her side. Until rain. Le kring. I would say le family aka. Until rain. Oje na braga ne. I wanna even garata lis khole. Muto disable. Wena. Ulu papa ka ausaka. Usa morati. Now I won't be happy with you. I'll tell you. I'm gonna disown you in my heart. Muto kitana kinna kitana mo rumung. Kharas na fala kinna hipager. Wona fishala ka le na o bona fela ora so ke se khole se is na matsela se na dito tlo ga. So family issues regarding modern relationship e cut off. O sa ka family. Tlo ga. Ga wa to phila mnat mo lenyalong ke mo relationshiping ntsa family. Isn't it chomi? Chomi ke datla fe ke di features chomi tswali le dintsi ha go na ntwe body leng datla fela la tama.
A load shedding.
Yeah, intialo, chomi intialo. Mara problem king family li girlfriend tikala mosadi ba cut off. You live life. Wa plamnati. Cut family off. We ke metse kana. Same like myself mo lenyalong la ka ba travel ba re go laya ba mphamalago. Mtsela go nnotira ntshrefa. Aksa ba sipe mo ba gala jo batletse mo roomong fa. But na ke philang ke phila grey ke tsa gale dutseo kwa lona kwa you can tell me that na go phila life ya go jarating yaka ke jarata ka ela khana ene ngwana o munyana umsadi yaka so nga sa umsadi ka phila ba diskete fitlafa ga o tla ba bam shot wa para tla tsama ya ba bam shot tsamae ke umsadi ka mos gore umsadi ya putlama epa yang na ke a ke tolerate ke le 2k gi batla ke lina ke phila jaka le 2k ksa control msada ke mise ko le 80s la 2k ai le 2k play lo na so bona tsumka le ngwana wa ma 3 months 4 months akere ba lo no etsa yalo kere wa etsa yalo akere wa tlo comply le ena kere so le msada go le nna like msada ke comply le ena ke lo thutawa ha etsa tara me ya pera musisa go tsa photo ka tsa musisa ga tsa photo for what I don't know wa post ka post ya pera week o post ka post era me ke tla etsa ke msada ka as long as le happy nna ke sharp o tlo re.
You're getting a lot of backlash more social media. A lot of people that are attacking you, you know, more commenting, you know, about how it's to have the steroids. On the record, are you using steroids?
I was. 2015, I tried steroids. I tried the competition effect for bodybuilding. Like I used to be lean. I compete the IFBB for around Northwest. I get to Rela. I get to Sintol. Maybe it's a Sintol. Get oil. Like I wanna like I wanna like didn't when how like highly side effect more mulling. Didn't I animate? I wanna sharp. But I keep pulls, I keep flicks, sharp. For that there's no side effect. There's some people how about you to harriet and someday it tend to a stone. But once you might tap on no effect. But I've seen told while testosterone now when you go class. Not looking. Oily sintol oil like into a way, Haina mat. Go tell no utalano. Go tell no come late.
It's a how long? It's a how long or Motlatlan?
Go talk a jay, come late. Marona mat.
Oh,
you didn't have strength. Not looking, Hona mat. So like batons are barato provocana. Barana mata da mana inging. There are a lot of guys, big guys, with these steroids. ka re tla re bete ke ifa tla tsena mo chest pressing ke 280 kg 180 kg mo squatting 200 something kg tla reng just I won't pull it up. I pull it and I can if ka check it social media ka ke moto gymang mara nko ke posta ke gyming yaka why ke rata khunse di enemies nna ke playa party engwe gore go ke bontsha mo lifeng ke bontsha eng relationship ka mosadi yaka gyming a ke bontsha gymming a ke bontsha but I'm a big man and I give it 24/7 ka bounce somewhere 24/7 na go gym le bona yang no one knows only me ke nna ke itseng le this guy fela ke nna ke itseng ke gym yang ko kae na go mang and le na kwa family ka split out le yona for I make time for everything ke squeeze we bra go sample rona ona na go wena go sample ona na go bona ke tswa ka tswa Rustenburg and a ka robala o tlo ka go bolela ka robala go matloka ntse yang a ka robala bona go ke tsore cash ka fa le wa ba itse ba e ke gotseng kwa a ka robala mosela go rona ke bana ke motlo go Sun City ba mo drop le before ba tla fa go ga je breakfast mo room yaka a ka robala so everything gets anako sleeping doesn't pay go robala o tsogo sena fokol nka ha beketsa ba da manga ke 1000 rand nka ke 2000 nka ke le ing so sleeping doesn't pay man 20 minutes o tla robalang 8 meters ya fokutsa eng so na a ka ba tle mthara a gna nako tle ha go no etsa nako o kaka go ke nako mo se itse nako mo tsa go kaka a ka go sa ka go tsamaya ga o etsa nako go nwa metsi ke nako etsa nako se mo se itse nako o etsa nako ke ha o kgona o tsa go bathroom mo tlhapa o etsa nako go tlhapa kere so nako o ra yona nako ba go tlambulana nako we do have a lot of time ntwe o tla mo yetse go o split tsotletseng ba o le gone go mo mmereko ga ke tswa fa ke bere company go officing yaka ka bereke mo spanning ha ke tswa fo ena fa ena sa da se go ba ke rotse one enough or something like that.
How do you deal with the backlash on social media, people attacking you? Well, avoid
I just ignore it. I don't entertain. Some people about attention. But when to come social media, most people like jealous regarding Korean. But ambassador nago kabablay sa kabasadi babon. Where I'm exposing men. Ke expose ka ing when I show off my lifestyle le motho ka ke expose ing file ga ke bua mo social media ga le bana wa itse before ke bua this thing wa itse brag basadi ba sokola
100%
basadi ba sokola
yeah, not all of them but babanch
no basadi ba sokola brag ka tlhoga financially le emotionally ba sokola basadi lo fumina suffering ba ntse bana le banna too much ke tla 70% ba basadi ba sokola rona bana re tsa advantage gona no gore ngwana no ana ba tsadi she can't go anywhere o lo munya ro ke wena tla go mphe ngwana o tlo mo tshwara ka ngwana tshwara ngwana o etsa ka mkhora tanka teng you know she can't go anywhere you know how many phone calls I go for every day how many guys ke ba bana ba kae kwa fa basadi ile la go koleng go mfile monna da go file mosadi da man o tswa khakala kwa o kre mosadi through me basadi ba sokola bra ka o tlogola maka nje basadi ba ntse ba sokola o na le monna 2 months ba sa buisa mo ntlong 2 months how do you live like that hona wa tsale o itse ona ba tsale ona family at all o go tloga go ntlong a hira room mo next door a robala mosadi mo when because you can't go anywhere ngwana wa thauna kwa a hona kwa a tla go teng she can't go anywhere last ke re ngwana mo di phete
yeah
no beside that like I can't mention a lot of things what I'm doing privately something like that until into in like it to sak but sa ba ntse ba sokola bra ka until gaeng banna go no the reason be one to ile ba rena ka ba expose because ntwe re galang mosadi o tlo mo tlhokomeleng ja until gaeng ona mosadi ka so tiny na one lie mosadi ka na motho wa strata The reason being why she was looking for your love. She was hunting. Lina was desperate, so Lina ke batla le rato ikopana fela ra tshwarana sentle. Ke o tlogela bofepo ke tlogela this side. Rana 3 years. Re setse ngwana. Re batla di pull out fela. You get my point, pull out, right? Yeah. Mbule 3 years ke tsa pull out. 3 years. Ya bo 4. Ya bo 4. After she ke bele chalete. Ka mo engage. Ka tlogela gap nyana 1 month because o itse batho ba ka mpolela mosadi yaka. Ke tla go tlogela gap nyana. After 1 month, I became monyala. After lenyalo ke ngwana. Ka matla mmereko. Lena ne settled. Ntwe ngwa gape le rona bana, a re batla basadi ba rona ba bereke, di girlfriend ke la basadi ba rona. A re batla. For ing we don't know. And understand one thing. Rona bana won't live long. Bana ba so no ra so rona bana. Bana are last mo lifing. Serious.
That's the truth.
Yeah. Ona me skefulu wa ga upstairs. Tina se utho mo tlhogo shule kan. Wona ga ngwana ga umsadi ga bereke.
The accident driver ga rafa.
Hey, good heaven wa botaka ka botolo. By mistake you gone.
She was trate.
Ngwana lo jaing, wona ga na bereke. So it's good to tloga ba tsadi ba bona ba try do tse ba di tsang, wa tlhoga the good thing. Bo re thusa ke di backbone wa thuba. So stop ba sa go ba sa spana. Now a kai. Go insecurity. Mo ba sa ding. I bete gay. For na bana, rena be insecurity. Naturally idea ngole ngwa yana ne ke mengage before msadi ka o. Learn why she learn from me. Everywhere I go, ngwana ke mo trainile halo. Le yana wa ka o. Ke mo trainile halo. Ga ke tsamaya any movement ke go podcasting. Ga ke tsela go mo sa text ke fitlhile baby. Ga ke tswa fa ke le mpompa re go drive shop sa siana ka go kopa. After 5 hours o da mfounela. I want some text. O sha baby. Ha o tlise go kae? Kumuduma ka le go kae go la banyana o tlose o sha pona kre a dropa phone sharp. Fela yana. So any movement e ke tsamaya ka mo la baby ke fitlhile ke sharp. Fela. Kopa ka ji ka tsamaya. Ke ya kae ka mo le ka kae? She won't call me, mang, ke go mo video mo trend ba go haga. No, she won't do that. Ke mo maletse. Ke go kae? Wa tloga. So she has to be relaxed. So rona ma jita gona no. E mona ke tla. Ngwana ta izwa kae wena? Go no vaile. Ha ijule ga o le itla. Ke no go maya cha 10 1 2 3 4 pota pa ka 5. Ha go tso baby o tswa kae wa mo manya. O slala gape le bojwa la gape. Wona o tlo ikhutsa mma o tlo ba lwena. She was so worried the whole night. Ka wena o tsena fa o tlo bona no wa mlantsha. Nabana. So nna ke train mosadi aka ya la o taking any movement we go ra repotelana. But insecurity ba ka le ena it doesn't work for rona by two. Ha ke tshwara phone ke tshwara ke batla something ke bontsha ndeso once romela. Petina ka le petina ga la ngwana ka tshwana. Ke a bona basadi ba bantsi mo founung wa itse ba mfonela regarding advice or something like that. Go to say motho go etsa so I talk with a lot of people here. Montlogeng. So but insecurity when it comes to women I make it sense go gonna get turn off because I wanna know. Sorry to say this. Cook. Yeah. How ako say gada. Tadeng kira. You get my point? Yeah, ako sa na insecure mo subon twila. Ntwile ipala di uze dinzi. Msala ka roba le batho ba ithuka jiko. E ba tlhapa. Wona tsheta ka 5, a tla ka 3, a tlhapa ba etsa DJ everything. Ba tla go ya. O tla go beta mo dimo yona e. You won't feel for so go gata motho ntse yalo. Is it safe for you go gata mosadi? Musadi o tlhompiwa. Nna ke makala majita ba abuse basadi. mosadi like sa re ke bua ke re mosadi ke satana mosadi ke ntho engwe bra ka neng e dangerous mosadi dangerous too much in two ways is like o tshwana le motlakase o ba mogala o ready ka go lo blue ha ka goma o blue o chokiwa so wona o phela o ne awe go blue sa go goma wona o gomile go red ha ka goma sa ka o vaile phakela wa tsamaya mmerekong wa sala go ntlong go tloga dijoki tsa go do everything le di BVD di maswe kana ba tla di tlhatswena ba tla go tlhatswetse mosadi yo ka go mkwatisa wena o phela mo fa headache every day o gana etsa eng o gana tsamaya le mango everything o mo cut off ona mosadi wa gana gana go ka go tshela dilo a ka tsa dutsa ga di bereke ka go mo meta on top of that why she living with you in the same house
apela
yeah a ka tena tlhaloganya go o nne ana ga dinga ka ta fokotsa tlhaloga bo gale ba go na le dinga ka tse di fokotsang bo gale too much ba fokotsa go switcha ba go basadi ba switcha bana ba baya da ba switcha ba jita baya nna ka ithapeletse mosading ke ngwana ba ka ithapeletsa ga go nne go feeling la choko ka ithapeletsa ke life ya lo go re akare era miao na go ngora la go tshamika are yena ke ikatse are miao nna ba tle ke re wo o tlo gae re tibelana fela yalo I have to do it o happy ka almost le ena do tseo so na ke go ke tsamaka di footsteps tsa mosadi gantsi most of the time ntlo gae but ndi nna kana space sa ka gore tseking for now I got to advise I have to go on my way more especially when it comes to the private sector do private medical itsang o private a ke motloki o sa mfonela she won't call me she know I'm busy ha mfontsha ga wana ga lo fona ga itho o itse ke busy o tlhole gae so musadi di deng ke motlakase o tlhole gae
o na lo kra batho ba o bula
no I see graduate accept braga fair back day ha ke buliwe o se ke bethiwe khosa ke tshwenyiwe pa kere ke motho mongwe ga ke bouncer le batho maybe re 7 or 8 ga gona le ntho di bounce dingwe a di tlo go beta nna ka di blocka nna ke bua le wena motho wa tlo mbetang bras o itse re tlo enjoy ba botlhe fa rona mme re go rona ka gore ke le tlhokomela gore tseng le salwana ba sa thoa di biri tsa lona wena wa lwana bothata ke eng and then o fa story sa go okay sorry de ga to similar da bana ntlo ela eng o ra bouncer nna o ka we le bouncer re ja ke tsamaya you miss us like le teng nna you can do whatever you want to do and if le motho a re try go protect situation aba tlola ra go botsa pele o tlolana ka nnete na cause ntwa ai monate di face di monate a re monate ba rona o tabang re tlhabetse di face go go bete go no go bua fatshe.
That was gonna be my follow-up question, alright. Ona le batho ba bantšha ba bona motho o ana le mmele o mogolo o mo kima so they always think that motho o tlhabetswe o ba bang ba re o bofetswe
a se ba bohle batho ntse discipline motho o tlhabetseng a bully like myself for instance a lot of people ba nkitse ha ke boli this guy wa nkitse motho a ntse go na ntho masepa go mareta go sa no ka go black seven nna ka tshega nna now laugh at you nna ka tshega but o sang khotla o sa fitla o ntira dotse o sang khotla geng o la go ngkhuma like touch me like 2 days yeah that's why ke di batla o ka nthuga o se tlela like that ma o sang khotla o ntira ke lo mpitsa o ke twinya you know this ass man ntho e tlhapa gona yankga o tla ntira ke twinya yo nga go black seven tse ya ke di batla tseo o sang khuma o sa mpitsa twinya ntlhogeng yeah so self discipline ke yona ke control enga ka tlo bona enga ka nna I'm scared of myself I get kwati because I get control because I get some agile one again I get some agile one le gona like I will say I'm not alone ntlhogeng I will say I'm not alone ke some place is dangerous kuma ka procedure ke le one ka tsama ka tswa ka bua even though go le thata but nna ha ke tsena batho ba tshaba le bona nna ke bona batho ba tshoga le bona ba mpona le bona ba tshoga ba le 6 nna ke tle ke le 1 nna ke bona 6 wa tla mpeta ba le bona ba le bitsa wa da matla le 1 yang le nna ke tshoga le bona ba tshoga ba mpona so do you crash ana so now I have no fear like ke tsama go le gongwe motlelogeng ha go situation lately I have to stand for it go ntwe go bitsa di ancestors ba bona lotse yeah di ancestors tsa ka motlelogeng nna ke tshepa di ancestors than anything motlelogeng a ke ngaka but it means a lot of people they know this so ha ke tsama ke le 1 that's why motho lo ena ga ba betsa Thabiso mara o kwa di ba re ke bona Thabo go tla Thabo wa thena so motlelogeng lona le nkitse ka the punisher maybe ke kwata go di the punisher go tla motho mo ba mo nkitse ke le nne ka la nnete ba mpitsa ka lona ga maybe go tla the punisher you never know mo le le beast mo garage so wena how do no beast mode it's a self defense wena wa relaxa you unyaza matlago until you don't know who's standing behind you wena wa tshaba until to withdraw sometimes is a fuck up you can withdraw for any situation risky you take risk in life I don't tweet risky jaka mosadi that's one ke tsamsa I don't tweet risky jaka mosadi ga o no tweet risky jaka mosadi ba sa di risky than rona banna mosadi go no tsena o sa rata le wena e santsa kopa le wena o tima light mo le fifing a sentsa bola mauta a itse go tswang go tsena ntwe ntsang mara mo le fifing a bola mauta so go tsenya ga itse go tsena ntwe so ke la fitla fa itse this is risky what's a risk gore go tsofatsa wena mtlhogeng so we take risk for everything mtlhogeng lo ena like caring you can go to certain places also it's very invited hence like you people who invite me no motho go bona le WhatsApp are tsama go someone will pick you up what's your registration I do everything that it's a risky for me but I'm not scared I kitse ke inkope wa tologeng it's a risk but I'm not scared ha ke tsama ke le 1 why should I scared wa tologeng so I get to focus nna if go betile how lose there's a win and lose in my life we can't live forever or permanently. Far it lo rejoice ta fera la fita. Until rain.
If motho a nyaka go book for you gore body card ya high price ranging, how much are they going to pay?
No, ke shela di hour.
Okay.
So no gana go so ke bouncer di taverne or di pump. I saw ke bouncer di hotel. Because caring for me ke bouncer down because ke already follow students what I follow people like ke ro mo lo tsa so I get tsene da ke tsene kwa ke to push the defense ga sometimes until like you don't feel bad for them. I mean you won't feel good for them until like yeah, so that's why I saw ke bouncer do it. Na ke bouncer motho go ba go escorte yo lenyalong mo ya funeraling we are partying we are popapong mara go VIP that I will do it
about private bodyguard.
Yes.
Okay.
Fail the rest of the go papong go di stadium mo a ke shapa go tse cheta ka e batla but so ke tse do tse I try to do it because I hands do it like one recently everyone but to go getting what one the punish self so una rola o so he pusa go approach everyone is there ke tswa di self last thing I should do is happen same thing but I should do ba batla nna go pusha mang because bana ba batla nna ba ngata shit and na ga di shit but ke so koloi ke tsayang I have to push them how is the driver shit a tswa nna ke ka tswa ba batla nna no ba ro push it file na tlo go wena eng shit plan na le ena something like that to ga we go to go tse tla ke stop do tse man tlo ga let me just stop because let me say ka so a batla do tse kareng msela ka like kareng tla ke light le ngwana ka because ba mpotse re papa o difuka betha motho a sa tsogi yeah ngwana ka mpotse a re papa o ka betha motho a sa tsogi ro sa le mang until rain. So ntho e nngwe se botlhoko, so maybe I will but re tella. So lena I just picture myself if I'm gone, I actually like exist in my life go etsagalang ka family like until rain.
Abuta ka leboha so much, thank you for coming.